so I heard that you wanted to get like the low taper fade. Let me go ahead and start. Yeah.
Yo, Nito, what is this?
What? It's you asked.
wanted
It's what you asked for. Oh, you wanted braids?
Braids.
I got
Yeah.
you. Okay, we're gonna start. Cut that right there. Just hair gel. It's just hair gel.
Yeah.
It's just hair gel,
Oh, okay.
so it stays on.
Some people call it a top shooter.
Yes, sir. Okay, we got 3 out of the done. I'm going to cut. Boom. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Shut up, please. I gotta focus. I gotta lock in.
God, I'm not even moving.
Let me take my cutter off. I'll cut the hair once I get done. Boom.
I don't want to go balls again, Nito. Remember last time?
We don't talk about last time.
Yeah, sure, bud.
Okay. Let me go ahead and start the cut. Okay, go ahead and... How do you like them? Shake them, man. Shake them. If you can't braid it, that all of them.
Yo! Nito, I have something for you. This was so good. I have something for you. Come here.
I bet. What is it?
Where is it? Where is it?
Come out here. We gotta go do it out here. Come on. Let's go make rocket pancakes. What did you want to show me?
You're gonna see the face of God.